Hi guys, Lisa here, and I am back. My Stitch Fix came, and it came yesterday. No, Saturday. I extended it, so in case you guys left me any comments, I could take them into consideration. I asked for some spring things this time, and then yesterday it ends up snowing here, so it's lots of fun here in the Lou. Let's get this started and see what I got. I did ask for the same stylist again, and the way I do that is when I write my stylist note, I usually say her name at the top, Victoria, and that's how I start it. So we'll see if I got the same stylist again. I got a little box this time, so that means there should be some spring stuff, right? No sweaters in there. Let's see if my stylist is Victoria. And it is. Picks from Victoria, right up there. There's my return label, free shipping back and forth. Ooh, there's some nice spring stuff in here. Look at that bundle. Exciting. Okay, let's rip it. Let's see what I got. Oh, it's yellow. I really, really love yellow, and it's hard for me to find yellow. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's like a kimono. A little sheer kimono. It's got some pinks and oranges and yellows in it. That's really, really pretty. Excited to see what that one looks like on. Oh, and it's blue. Oh, and this is Danielle Rain, so this is probably going to be really expensive. But it is so cute. Sleeveless though. If you guys watched my Oneable, I'm not a sleevelessly person, but that is beautiful. So we'll see what that one looks like on. Oh, I'm not sure about this. Oh, it has crochet. I'm not. Another sleeveless. Not sure I really like the patterns and the baby blues and pinks that are in it. It's not really me. I'm more dark. I like the dark colors. But this could be cute. We'll see. Kind of springy, summery. It's got a double in the back here. Let's see if I hang it over my shoulder. It's kind of got double overlays, I guess, like a double overlay in the back. Oh, this looks promising. Just a little tee. Everything looks really short, but I love this pop of kind of the neon-y yellow on the front. And this looks to be blue. It's a really pretty blue. I don't know if that's coming up there on camera. And a pair of jeans. Stitch Fix will never let you down with jeans, will they? They always give you lots of jeans. These are cut by the Kloth boyfriend jeans. A little bit of distressing there. I know I talked about this in my last video with the wash in the butt, and that doesn't have the bad wash in the butt. I hate when it has that circle oval going around your butt or the stripes going down your back. So those could be promising. So let's try all this stuff on and see what it looks like. All right, guys, I've got the jeans on, which I'll probably keep on through the whole video, and the Danielle Rain top. I like the top. It's a little, I wish the sleeves were a little bit shorter because of just not really big on showing my arms. But the colors are really pretty. It's really, really beautiful in person. The back is just like that. Not really sure about these jeans. They cut a little bit short, and they're kind of where they give you the little bit of a muffin top, and they're not even zipped up, so that would help, huh? I think they fit nice. They're a little bit short on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. They had them rolled up, but that just was not me. So yeah, I don't know if they'll be a keeper. They're kind of short, which could be good for spring, but they kind of do a little bit of a flare out. I've never tried boyfriend jeans on before, so this is my first go round at them. The distressing's nice though. It's not too much. Not letting any of my fat in my legs and my knees and stuff stick out, so that's decent. So yeah, we'll move on to the next top. Okay guys, here's that next top. There it is on the back with the crochet. The reason I don't like these is I have to wear a normal bra. I can't do a strapless bra. I'll constantly be doing this, pulling it up, and for me, that's just not, there's no reason for it, for me to be uncomfortable all day. The colors in this aren't really my colors, but it is cute. I do like the double overlay it has all going all the way around, so that kind of gives it a little bit extra pizzazz. Other than that, I mean, it fits nice. It's a little bit big, but when you're not doing this to it, it hangs fine. There's like lots of nice room in there. Nice flow, doesn't give you that, you know, I don't know. It's just not me, but I could see if somebody else was wearing that where I would be like, that is the cutest top ever. It's just not for me. So let's try on the striped t-shirt and see what we think about that one. There's the back again. All right.
All right, guys. Now this is Lisa.
Casual knit t-shirt. It doesn't have the high or low. It's completely the same length all the way around. There's no little, you know, slits or anything on the top. Just a little bit bright yellow pop, which I think is really cute. This one could be a keeper out of everything in the box. And as always, if you guys haven't watched my video before, I'll keep the names and prices of everything down below in the description. So if there's something you see that you like, you can check it out there and get the exact name and everything instead of trying to figure out what I'm saying to you. So yeah, I think I could do this one depending on the price. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what the price was for it. It is really nice and soft. Stitch Fix always sends nice soft clothes, so there's never an issue there. I don't think I've ever received anything that wasn't soft from them. So yeah, I don't think I like these jeans though. They're just cut too low. I'm a little bit more, I don't know, I guess they're not low rise. Maybe I've just been getting high rise lately. I'm not sure. But let's go to that kimono. I'm kind of excited about it. Those colors in that are kind of intriguing me here. So I will be right back with the kimono and we'll see what we think about that one. Okay guys, back with the kimono. I feel really big in this and I wanted to really like this so bad. So you guys have to tell me what you think. I don't know, I feel like it's making me maybe look bigger than I was. I just kind of put on a green tank top under it. I couldn't find my white one and this is the best I could come up with on this short notice right here. I didn't want to take 5 hours looking for a tank top that would work with it. It's really pretty. I don't know if it would look better with shorts, if maybe that's what's making me feel like it looks, making me look bigger than I am. I don't know. You guys will have to tell me what you think about this one. I really love the colors though. The colors are really pretty. It would be really cute for spring. Maybe get it to, oh, sorry, just walked into my Greta girl. Could be really, really pretty in the spring. I don't own any white pants. It would probably be really, really pretty with white pants. Yeah, so you guys have to let me know what you think. I do kind of feel like I'm wearing my nighttime robe and I'm gonna go lay down in my bed. Just got out of my bath, but I didn't. I'm trying this on for you guys, so it is really nice. It's comfortable. Doesn't seem like a really cheap material, which sometimes I think kimonos, I feel like they can be a really cheap material. This one doesn't. Maybe it'll depend on the price and what comments you guys give me back of what you think. And when I rewatch this video, it'll tell me more too. So that was that. I'll put you guys on pause here and we'll get back to my final thoughts and I'll give you a total on what the whole box was. So give me a sec. Okay guys, that was an exciting try on. Before I sat back down, I kind of glanced over my style card to see how she thought I should style some of that stuff, and I probably should have read that before. I know these kind of get boring for everybody, so I don't usually read them during this filming because not everybody wants to hear what my stylist has to say to me. But she did write that I spotted a funky on-trend look on your Pinterest page of pattern mixing, included the Skies Are Blue knit to layer with the Kaileigh yellow kimono to try out this new look. So she had intended for me to wear that striped tee with the pop of yellow neck with that kimono. So I'll probably give that a try after I let you guys go and see what I think about that. I honestly would have never thought to pair that together. So that's interesting. And I like that she said she looked at my Pinterest board, because there's sometimes I don't think that she did. And I do have a lot of pattern mixing on my Pinterest board. I'm not a very big patterny person, but I do love pattern. I love seeing other people wearing pattern. I just sometimes feel like it looks odd on me. But yeah, so we'll see how that looks. So the total for my box this time was $2.98, and if I buy all 5, I get a 25% discount of $74.50. So that would come to $223.50, which, you know, a normal Stitch Fix. And just looking, man, that Daniel Rain top, that was $74. $74 for that top. It does say it's a silk blouse, which that means I can't wash it normally, so I don't know. But like I said, I'll put all that stuff down below so you guys can just see exactly what it is. Yeah, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I decide to keep. I don't know. You guys help me out. Tell me what you think. Give me your comments. Let me know. I'll leave my Stitch Fix referral code below too. They switched it up this month. There's no longer that you receive a free box. It's you get a $15 credit, and then I would receive a $15 credit if you used my link. So it's not that you get to try this for, I guess, technically free anymore. It's you would get a $15 credit, which would still make you pay $5 if you didn't find anything. They're still fun. It's fun. I usually find at least one piece. This time I would probably, right off the top of my head, I would keep that striped shirt. But who knows? Maybe I won't keep anything. But I look forward to hearing your comments. Let me know what you think. I'll have my trend send sometime this week in my trunk club, which my trunk club should be interesting because I just looked at the styles edits she gave me, and she gave me some interesting stuff, and she usually does. I shouldn't even say interesting stuff. She gives me some, I don't even know what to say. You guys just watch it and you'll see exactly what I'm saying. So you guys have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I thought I would just pop this in at the end so you could see what she was talking about. And I think that it would probably look actually really nice, and I would have never thought about mixing these stripes with this kimono, except I don't like the way that this looks together. This kind of bright neon-y greeny yellow almost with this nice buttery yellow. That doesn't work for me, but I do get where she was going with the stripes. So that gives me another option with this kimono. And I do have a lot of striped tops, so that could possibly be another option instead of something plain underneath it. So I do like that she went out of the box for me and tried that. So yeah, that is that. Just thought I'd give you guys a little looky. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.